look at it in comparison between these two, you can see it sticks out a little bit more, but not by a whole bunch. Hey folks, in this video I'll be doing a first impressions and unboxing of the Viltrox 24mm F1.8 full frame lens for the Z mount. It says it's supposed to be a prime lens. It includes autofocus, so let's take a look at it. All right, case for the lens, some other stuff. Nice packaging. All right, so if I take this out, boom, this is what this lens looks like. Not overly huge. I've definitely had bigger lenses in the past, so this is a decent size. I will say that this does have a bit of weight to it. I feel like if I put this on the Nikon ZR in just a moment, it would fall forward because the lens, it's not only is it long, but it has enough weight to make it front heavy. But build quality feels pretty good. It feels like it's made of metal outside of this, other than this lens cap right here that is made of plastic, and the lens hood that's made of plastic. Really smooth focus turn wheel, but I got this for autofocus, so that doesn't even matter. But let's go ahead and throw this on the Nikon ZR and see what it looks like. So real quick, just as a comparison, I have the Viltrox 20mm 2.8 currently on the Nikon ZR, and that's what the profile currently looks like. If I look at it in comparison between these two, you can see it sticks out a little bit more, but not by a whole bunch. So yeah, this is how these two lenses look. The 20mm definitely is shorter, but not by a lot, but it is drastically lighter. I will throw that out there. I'll go ahead and set this on the Nikon ZR. And boom. We are good to go. So, just again, to give you a profile of how this looks, that's what you're working with. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I'm going to compare this to the lens that I'm currently shooting this video off of, which is essentially equivalent to that of a 20mm field of view, and I'm going to see how much space this lens take up. All right, so boom, now with the Viltrox 24mm f1.8 in place on the Nikon ZR, you can see how the field of view stacks up in comparison to, you know, the camera you just saw me shooting on, as well as the previous video that I did covering the 20mm field of view. It does shrink things in just a little bit, but not drastically. But you do see, because it's actually it's not shooting at f1.8. So let me go ahead and swap it over to f1.8, and you get a feel for what that looks like and how can that affect the image, because right now it's at f2.8 ISO 800. All right, so I just adjusted the settings, and right now I'm shooting on this lens using f1.8 and the ISO of 400. So you can see the light got noticeably blurrier in the background. It's hard to make out much more of the background, but yeah, overall doesn't look bad. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're at all curious about checking out either of the lenses that I mentioned in this video, I will have affiliate links in the description. But other than that, that is it. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.